Okay. Yep, welcome to this morning stream. We're going to fly from Istanbul down to southern Turkey in the 737 Pmdg. We're standing here in stand Golf 9er. Southeastern corner of the airport, Istanbul. Oh, we can see some other Vatsim traffic online. Unfortunately, not yet any controllers. Let's see. So we are pretty cold, much cold and dark here, so departure within 30 minutes, so let's get going. So, planning the OFP for Turkish TK2592 with Callsign today, Turkish for Papa Mike from Lima Tango Foxtrot Mike to Lima Tango Foxtrot Golf. We are in the 737-800 registration, Tango Charlie Juliet Hotel Mike, is correct. Departure time, off block time is set to 0735, which is in 32 minutes. Some light tailwind down to the south. We will later on load up with some 7 point. The required fuel is 6.9 ton. We'll load up with 7.2. The nut is Alanya.
Runway
There's
awareness. Okay.
Meters.
Expect zero fuel weight 59.5. Landing weight 63.3. The max landing weight is 66.4, so we can make it back immediately. There's the routing, and let's check the weather. Some kind of sigmet here, valid. Thunderstorm forecast. I'll check that later. Here in Istanbul, as you could see, nice weather, some scattered clouds. QNH 1014, 26 degrees at the moment. We will expect to depart runway 36. Yeah, forecast pretty much the same. Some haze in the evening and in destination. Gazipasa. We have Cavalcade at the moment, 31 degrees 1004, and no change in this forecast. Easterly wind, so it looks all good. So what we will do now, the flight is loaded in, we will load up and request the fuel truck and see if that works.
Refueling truck is on its way.
So in the updated aircraft, you can use this
Please don't
one
load
to
aircraft
load
until
from
the fuel
SimBrief.
truck arrives and ask to do it.
Take precise loading here. $155 packs, 16 in business class. Okay, so the fuel. Let's edit that one to what did we say? 7.2. There we go. There's no interaction with GSX into this aircraft, so we cannot have any progressive refueling. So IRS is aligning in 3 minutes.
Fuel truck is in position. Please don't load aircraft until the fuel truck arrives and ask to do it. Please use your airplane fuel system to set the desired fuel quantity.
Jump out.
Please use your airplane fuel system to set the desired fuel quantity.
This walk around feature is really nice.
Please use your airplane fuel system to set the desired fuel quantity.
Yep, let's go back into the cockpit and start the boarding also.
Boarding requested.
Maybe we can trigger the refueling by doing this. Give it a try.
Please use your airplane fuel system to set the desired fuel quantity.
Actually, I don't think the refueling will start. We'll see. Otherwise, we will have to abort it. Doors are open. Yeah, refueling completed. Look at the tracks here, running into each other. Anyway, it works. So let's load up the route.
Good morning. Boarding starting.
Load. So the route is in. We have Atvo, Papa Tango 3, 5, Alpha Yankee Tango, and Tango 2772 Utuso, so it seems correct. Departure will be from runway 3 sec. Atvo 1 Echo.
May I see your boarding pass, please?
Arrival 08.
Hello?
We will do the RMP approach. Utuso 1 Charlie.
Hello?
And transition will be, let's see. Atmos not good. No,
Welcome on board.
via Utuso.
This way, please.
So,
Hello? Hello?
no. We'll do like that.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Instead. After Antalya, it's direct to Utuso. Yeah, now it seems
Good morning.
correct. Let's execute that one already now.
This way.
So here's the SID.
Good morning.
It's a little small here.
May I see your boarding pass?
So what we will do at 760 feet, we will turn right to heading 023 intercept, radial 023 up to Foxtrot Mike 032 with max speed 250 and above 2200 feet, which is here. Over to Foxtrot Mike 033, 034,
This way, please.
Ilfu Mike 034 and Sjö,
Welcome on board.
Ratvo, where the SID is ending.
Hello?
Use this one instead. Zero fuel weight. And copy from the aircraft 59.5.
Welcome on board.
So that's some alarm on the phone. Sorry, reserve. So
Hello.
what we had 59.5, that's correct. Aircraft is not loaded, but we will do this anyway. We'll go with this as the final load sheet.
Hello?
So the reserve fuel for alternate LN plus final reserve is
Welcome on board.
3.6 tons. Cost index was
Welcome on board.
15. Cruise level today 370. Top of climb wind is
May I see
271,
your boarding pass?
47 knots.
This way, please.
with a temp of -44.
This way.
And transition altitude.
Good
Check
morning.
12,000. That's correct. So
Good
we have the
morning.
performance. Do this first.
Hello.
So the MSA is 3,000 to the north
Hello?
and 3,500 to the south.
Hello. May I see your boarding pass?
Something like that.
May I see your boarding pass?
So matches 3,000 MSA to the north, 3.5 to the south.
May I see your boarding pass?
We can do another fix for 36. So engine outside, we have runway heading to 25 and hold. So runway 36, 353. We get 2 rings. Let's do like this instead. There we go. So boarding seems to be completed. Almost, I guess. Yep. We're already loaded up. The norm. We'll have some 15 minutes to the departure, so let's wait with the APU. Hydraulic can go on. Voice recorder. Set the cruise level. Elevation, landing field elevation 126. So let's set 150 here. There we go. So still no ATC. The initial climb on this SID, I think it was 8,000. Yeah, 8,000. And runway heading was 353. So some performance then. So we are standing here, Golf 9er. Departure will be from runway 36, a very short taxi. Let's see. The intersection takeoff might be Golf 8. So I'm checking here. Golf 8 Alpha 2,866 meters. .6, yeah, that's correct. $2,866, so let's dial that in here. We'll import some weather, which gives us selected temp 52 and 193.3 with a trim 492. Let's can derate the climb a little bit. That's 523.8. Yep, that's correct. Gives us the V speeds of 141, 142, 146. So let's start up the APU. Boston seatbelt sign can go on. One, 4, 6. Perfect. So we will start VNav LNav. So let's set up the rest of the panel now. QNH was 1014. Yep. 1014. Set 3 times. So APU is running. Let's switch over to the APU buses. Can connect the tag already now. Try that if it works.
Hello, Captain. We are ready for pushback.
Oh, it didn't. So release ground power. Let's set the parking brake. Remove the shocks as well. We're getting fully ready.
Departure checks completed. Bypass pin inserted.
Let's do like this. So we're standing stand Golf 9er, which is here. We'll push face to the east and we'll taxi straight ahead onto taxiway, what's it called here?
Looking
Taxiway
clear.
Golf up to Golf 67 or 8 Alpha for line up. Yeah. Departure is Ratwovan Echo. Which is in. We'll stand by with the push. Initial climb is 8,000. It'll say that clearance is given. Perfect. Let's set up the first officer side as well. The doors are closed. So pre-flight checklist, we didn't do that while explaining here. Oxygen is tested, nav transfer switches is normal, auto, window heat is on, pressurization mode selector, auto, flight instrument, speeding heading 353, altitude 340, and cross-checked, engine start levels is cut off. So before start checklist down to the line, then before we have the flight deck door closed now very shortly. Fuel 7.2, 6.9 required, 4 pumps are on, doors and windows looks closed. MCP V2 146, heading 353 for runway 36, and altitude initial 8000. Auto brake, RTO, takeoff speeds V1 142, V2 142, V2 146, which is set. Video pre-flight is completed, parking brake is set. Rudder and aileron trim, and it's also 0. Taxi and takeoff briefing completed. So let's go for the push then, and for start checklist we'll do down to the line very shortly, and call on. Now it's the old transponder. Now the transponder is on, so alt off. Well, I hope the volume in the simulator is good. Let's maybe you bleed on. So just checking on Vatsim, there's no aircraft behind us, so before start checklist below the line, fasten seat plate sign switch on, and the collision light is on, parking brake is set. So let's do the push. Facing east, yeah.
Release parking
Sounds
brakes,
good.
please.
Istanbul traffic, Turkish for Papa Mike, pushing back, stand Callsign.
Commencing push. All engines clear. Start at will.
Start sequence 2 then 1. Yeah, we have oil pressure. Been too stable.
Please set parking brakes. Waiting your confirmation. Information for
Starting
a good
number 1.
engine start.
Cockpit to ground. We have a good engine start. You can disconnect.
Unlocking gear.
Oil pressure. So while doing this, let's put in 109.85 here.
Tow truck disconnected.
Oh,
Bypass key
2436 engine, 1 stable.
Left is clear. Right is clear.
Got to set the block time here. Start the right clock. Yep, there's the pin. So, laps 5. And flight control checks. Pull down, pull up, pull right, pull left. Rudders. And before taxi, checklist generators are on, anti-ice is off, APU off, engine start switch is continuous, recall is checked, engine start levels idle, detent, flight controls are checked, ground equipment clear on left side. It's clear on the right, so let's do the taxi then. Change the map here. So taxi Foxtrot up the Golf and then left turn. Istanbul traffic, Turkish 4 Papa Mike taxi holding point 36. Config check. And brake check. We'll check up on the wind direction once more, 070 degrees 9 knots now. Taxiway Papa. Strut coming up. Oh, second left. Clear to the right, to the left. let's go with the full runway, so we'll line up by Golf X Alpha, which is next to the right. Before takeoff, checklist, flaps 5, 5, 5, and green light stabilizer trim 492 set before takeoff checklist is complete. Istanbul traffic, Turkish for Papa Mike, landing at runway 36.
6.
Oh, this side again now. So, no one on final.
On runway 36.
Oh, no ATC, so let's take off here. Oh. And the lights on. Some timing. Stable setting, takeoff just. Takeoff just is set.
knots. V1, rotate. Positive rate.
Here. Oh, some crosswind. 10 knots. Oh, come on, eh? Oh, we're intercepting. It wasn't following the LNAV very good. Check flaps 1. Check flaps up. We are crossing 2200. Good. Something like Let's clear us up a little bit. Light wheel 160, set standard. After takeoff, engine leads are on, isolation valve is auto, flex auto, landing gear, all lights, and flaps also on all lights. Cabin is climbing. Sometimes also. So let's monitor 125 or count 2. Check on Vatsim if we can do any direct. Passing Istanbul downtown. Final level would be 370. 370 set eject. So let's proceed direct to Ratbo now. Oh. I will post the Atmos core preset. Arrival time predicted to 0838 Zulu. 50 minutes. I will go and make myself a cup of coffee. Oh, we'll be right back. So back from picking up some coffee. Let's follow up the fuel a little bit here, 5.1 tons. We're passing Ratbu, which will occur in 2 minutes. We have 5.5 on board now. So after Ratbu, the route will take us pretty much straight ahead down to overhead Alanya and a left turn the approach. All the way across in time with 300. Lower the temps a little bit, right up there. So we're passing Ratbu, fuel is 5.4. The terrain was on first officer's side, but I did set it on the ground, but it might be my mistake. possible to see the graph chart? Maybe. Didn't load up the complete charts. Just checking out the segment we talked about during the briefing. Far to the east of Ankara field. Report now. Our destination set 0.010 knots, KVK 37 degrees. 004. It's very slow now, I would say. Due to the high temperatures. EAT minus 18. So 350 with 2000 to go. So the temperature is rising very, very quickly down in Alanya. So the OFP was printed 0552. That's 2 hours ago. It was 31 degrees then, so yeah. Okay. 37 now. And I guess still rising. Yeah, 1000 to go. So at the moment 300 kilograms of fuel. Favor up 200, I would say. Pull down with 4.3, so we have 700 kilos extra at the moment. Just like 5 minutes, I guess. In up off and FMC speed. Have a slight tailwind. So let's start some planning. Star 271 Charlie is in. So it's Utuso heading 118 down to Pepto to intercept the Arnav. Utuso above 9,000 and Pepto about 3,200 feet. Correct. RP 408. Degree glide from Epboom 7 and then down to the mist approach. Go around altitude is, yeah, we'll do the, yeah, we can make it 4 degrees, so minima 1,000 feet bottom. Some range rings in. Inbound course 077. The border ref will be 1,000. Takes a while to put this in. We're almost there. 1,000 set. And for the landing weight, we'll expect fuel 4.3. We have now 4.9. Oh, 4.8. Oh, 500 kilos off 64.4. 63.9. We'll calculate some performance. So let's change to 63.9. See about that. 2,452 meters with flaps 30. Automatic 3 will make it to 1,872 meters. So there it is. So we will come in here around with 08, probably even with flaps 30 we will miss the exit Bravo maybe, I don't know. We'll try to make it with exit Bravo, so not stated here. Take front 26 from Bravo. So if we do an estimate, 2/3 of the runway, so that makes it 1,700 something. 650, so maybe with flaps 40 we can make it. Doesn't change very much. Oh, it says 2,000 meters with flaps 30, so yeah, we can do the backtrack anyway. Let's land flaps 30. So it's 200 meters. Yeah, top of the sun is coming up already now. Start with that. Two 250, I checked. The V nav a little bit by putting in some winds. So, flaps speed, V nav alt. can see a trans level 160. Check. Maybe something like that. Yeah, trans alt is 15,000, so we'll go with that. Range 1004. So 1004. Ultimate 3. This is the 750 meter. How old is that one? Yeah, just 1, 2, 3, 0 degrees at 8 knots, so the wind has changed a little bit. Some slight tailwind, so let's recalculate the performance. (2,036 meters), so we can still land with flaps 30. We'll do the turnaround on the runway to backtrack in case. So, doing some texting on the phone. So, just after we departed, the tower opened up in Istanbul, but on the way down to Alanya airport, there is no ATC online. It was possible to use same tension, but it's not, so let's do the Pmdg. Make this request. So this is the AI1 mission Charlie 0750. We have the winds 230 at 8. We know that already. Some variable winds. So we will probably have some more tailwind than we anticipated. Visibility more than 10. And it's got K34. Yeah. Pretty much the same information. So we have 1000 to go. Let's dial in flight level 120, which is the transition level. That 120 is checked. And we have landing in 21 minutes. So it says, see in the overlay it says 0834, I don't know, I think it's calculating with a direct course, I don't know, it's a little wrong. Oh, here's downtown Alanya. Or, sorry, Antalya. Antalya, of course. So for the landing, RMP, we will use the IAM integrated approach navigation, which this aircraft is equipped with. So we'll continue to descend to 9,000 feet, which is the next height restriction. There we go, QNH 1004, set.
Antalya traffic, Northern 6217, pushback and startup engine from stem 3090 on Alpha 3, facing west.
So level change and speed. Go around is right turn, Foxtrot Golf 715, and 3,200 feet for the go around altitude. Deep descent after return, so okay. looks correct. Right turn. Foxtrot Golf 715. It looks on 3,200 feet. So we are on the path. So it's telling us it's a steep descent after it also it's totally clear weather. Looks strange. With the terrain loading here, I don't know. So we have 4.4 tons of fuel. It will be 3.9. So we are approaching flight level 120 now. And dial in 1004 here as well. That association landing altitude 150, we cost checked landing data Fs30 BRF 147 minimum 1000 feet. That search brief is also complete. Still a little high. Not much, but it's quite steep descent here, so we'll have to put out the speed brakes anyhow, I guess. So the approach checklist altimeter is set 1004, we're passing 11,000, cross-checked, runway 08, RP approach, auto brake 3, that. Let's start the speed reduction now to 50. Fixed can go on. We'll add some speed brake here to make the descent. Yeah, approaching 9,000. So, 3,200 feet is the next altitude. That 8,200 checked. Yeah, this descent was quite steep, so we're on the speed brakes, not fully extended, but go to max descent. I did not. Otherwise we will not get the speed down here. Oh, Vina path. If we can see the airport. Yeah, here's the runway. Runway in sight. And checked flaps 1. Add the speed brakes once again. Let's arm the integrated approach navigation. Which you can see here now, FAC, glide path. Hi there. Speed back to 200. Yeah, I'm on Vatsim. Still, fortunately, there's no Turkish controller online. So. So I guess the cabin crew is seated and cabin ready. Speed checked, flaps 5. Speed 180. Final approach course. So let's check the wind now, 2308. Yeah, thanks, no problem. You can read the chat anyhow. No glide path. Missed approach altitude 3200 is set. Have to add some more speed brakes here. We'll extend the gear very shortly. 7 miles to touchdown. Get on. On the speed brake.
2500.
It's 15. We checked. About a tailwind here. Landing checklist. Engine start switch is continuous. Give it as that and construct. Speed brake armed. Landing gear down. 3 green. Holding at flaps. And flaps 30. Checked. That's 30, green light, and we're clear to land. Manual flight.
Approaching minimums.
See the terrain ahead?
Minimums.
Oh, there we go, continue.
Approaching 0.
Okay, wind is
8.
increasing now. Yeah, I'll try to.
$100, 50, 30, 20, 10.
Speed back us up, reverse the screen. Yeah, we won't make any exit here.
900 meters remaining.
Manual brake. So, airborne time was 1 hour 1 minute. Let's turn around here.
On runway 26. 1,800 meters remaining.
Yeah, maybe we can go in via Alpha to avoid this big turn here, so let's go to stand something. And 2 it will be. Stand 2 is over here at the left side. Yeah, I'll ask the questions very shortly. Why was the marshaller there, but stand 2 is here? Strange. New buses. Parking brake. Cut the engines. Yeah, there it is. Now it's off.
The boarding requested.
Anti-collision off. Oh, connect on ground power. Yeah, my system specs are in my profile. You can start reading there if you have any questions. Just ask them.
Passenger's bus is coming.
So, ground power is available. Turn off the APU.
Passengers deboarding starting.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks for the subscribe. Yeah, a little late on the clock here, but block time would say 1:11. So let's jump out. Just check. Oh, we're outside. No, I will not do any long haul. Sorry. My longest flight is like 2.5 hours maybe. So the GSX profile seemed to work at least. Yeah, thanks. I don't have the time to do any long hauls, actually. Also, I haven't tried those 777s and so on, so I need a little study for doing that. Yeah, longest on Vatsim, maybe 4.5, 5 hours. I'm doing mostly European flights, so like from Stockholm where I live down to Marrakesh or Malaga, I think it's like 4.5 hour flight to Marrakesh. Yeah, we can do the return flight. I think that's what the time permits. Also, the temperature is rising in my room here where I have the computer, so temperature here in Sweden will rise up to like, I don't know, 31 degrees today, hottest day this summer, so I don't have any air conditioning in the room. Let's see, can we climb the stairs here? Yeah, we can do that. Have to do. No. It's not possible to enter in the walk around view here.
Passengers bus is coming.
So I will disconnect the Vatsim at least. Something strange happening when I'm in the cockpit, sorry, in the walk around mode. My mouse pointer on the second screen is not working. I don't know. So Vatsim is disconnected. Yeah, I didn't get any feedback for the landing rate. But yeah, I was a little scared about long landing, so it was maybe a little hard, I don't know. The runway wasn't that long. Well, I will check the... Berlin to Delhi. Okay, so it's like that. Be like 10 hours flight, something like that, I guess. Or 9 hour maybe. Get in some fresh air. Yeah, thanks a lot. Take care. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. So, we made it down to Alanya Gazipasa, or how do you pronounce it? Thanks for everyone who's been watching the stream, so I will disconnect and see you next time. Bye bye.